Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in. Just want to show you a quick way to fix your leaky hose or leaky hose connector. Um, so what I did is I purchased a Gardena hose repair connector kit, okay, and I cut off the existing connector on the hose and make sure that it's smooth. And as you can see here, what I do is I just place the one of the parts of the connector into the hose first of all, and the remainder part, what I'll do is I'll just try to squeeze that into the existing hose. And I found it was helpful if you just try to twist it and push at the same time. That'll make sure that you get that in as far as possible. And once that's in, you can just try to tighten that up. Now I found this connector much easier than the available um, connectors, the other connectors available for purchase. Didn't require any tools, and also those other connectors I found were a bit sharp. Wasn't as comfortable to hold. Okay, so I much prefer this, even though it did cost a bit extra. Okay, so right here, as you can see, once I got it pushed in all the way, now I'm just tightening it up so it doesn't move. Okay, so once that's tightened up, it's pretty much ready to go. And as you can see there at the end of it, it uses a proprietary connection. Luckily, I did have an extra connector on the side, and I'll use that to put into the spray nozzle. And once that's in place, I can just connect that directly to the new connector to use. Okay, so hopefully that helps. Thanks for tuning in.